It was the year 2023 and I hated how I sounded because I literally sounded like a girl, right? People literally looked at me weird. My classmates used to make fun of me, and it was more like I've been talking and I just needed to stop talking because people just looked at me weird whenever I started to talk, right? Because my voice was so girly, my voice was so like a little girl, and I literally felt embarrassed, bro. I'm telling you, I literally felt embarrassed when I heard my own voice. And it was more like I just wanted to change my voice, right? Like I wanted to change my voice for better. So I went all in. I decided to lock in and I just decided that I wanted deep voice no matter what. And I started to train and learn about it. And it is literally 2 years later that I have a voice that literally, makes people look at me in a way that feels just like phenomenal. People look at me when I speak, and female attraction and women attraction, it's like I can just speak and they'll just listen to me. I do not have to worry about getting interrupted because my voice just feels good to the ear, and they know it. People have been telling me this all the damn time. Oh, you really have a good voice, you really have a deep voice, you have a really attractive voice. And it just feels good to hear that because I know that I have been training for that. I know that I have been doing some stuff for that. And in this video, I'll be telling you how to get that actual voice that got me through, to a bitchless version, to a guy who I am right now. And I'm not here to toot my own horn here. I'm just going to tell you my experience and how I did that, right? So the first thing I started learning was about larynx and all its tissues arrangement, right? We have this thing called larynx inside our throat, and it has these little long and thin tissues that is like the baseline of what makes your voice, right? If those tissues are really thin and small, then your voice will be like a little girl, just like how a little girl is, if that makes sense to you. And if those tissues are really thick and long, then you'll have a voice that just turns your heads of the people, right? So it's like you'll have to understand this in a way that feels like bro science, right? Like I'm not going to teach you actual human anatomy. I'm just going to teach you in a way that feels like bro science. Because, getting all the chicks and, building muscle and being actually a masculine man and all that is nothing but bro science. You do not get there by learning about science. Like you can choose the path of Jeff Nippard, or you could choose the path of Ronnie Coleman, and you'll still make some muscle, right? But it's just what you want to choose. So if I have to teach you in a way that feels like bro science, it's basically like a guitar, right? Guitar has a lot of strings. It has 6 strings. There are some strings that are very thick. There are some strings that are very thin. The thickest strings make the most bassy sound, if that's the word. And it is like if you want to train your larynx tissues, and you have to increase your testosterone at a certain age. If you are between the ages of 14 to 21, I'm guessing, you'll have to train your testosterone in a way. You'll have to increase your testosterone in a way that affects those larynx tissues, because those are only receptive towards your testosterone when you are in your puberty or whilst in your teenage years and all. And it is not some goofy ass shit that I made up. It's just literal fact. It's literally biology. You can search it up, and that's what I just literally searched it about, right? Like I focused on increasing my testosterone. And I know it may not seem much by looking at me, but trust me on this. Second thing I trained were my vocals. I had to use 3 types of vocals. There's this vocal called Ship Ahoy sound. Then there's this another vocal called Loud Siren. And there's this another vocal called Voice of Authority. These are different types of vocals that you get to train when you learn about voices and all. And I've been training about them as well. So yeah, these were the basics that I built. And if you want a detailed guide, like this is my first video on this channel and I want to try to teach you how to actually make your voice deep, then you should just comment guide and I'll make a part 2 about it. And until then, own your voice.